So here's if you're playing any blues, you know, I was just using my first position minor pentatonic with the blue note. If you're into that, then I have a quick expansion for you that's going to open up the sound with just one simple, easy step. And you can do it today, you can do it now, and you can do it forever. And if you're playing over things that sound kind of bluesy, right? Like this. So you're playing over the blues, you're playing over a blues like an AC/DC track. That's also bluesy sounding. Then you can simply take every single time you have a minor third, you add the note one step above, right? So you take the major third, you make the minor third a major third, or you, right? Or you do the same thing when you have the other, right? In the case of A minor pentatonic, where I have the 5th and 8th fret on the low E string, and then I have the 5th, 6th, and 7th, which is the blue note in between there, on the A string. I hope you're with me now, right? And then I have the 5th and the 7th on the D string, 5th, 7th, and 8th on the G string, and then 5 and 8 on the B, and 5 and 8 on the high E. And on the two top strings here, I have minor third intervals, which is 3 frets. I just simply I just add that little note there at the top of it, and I do the same thing here, right? So, so bam, like that, you have a really cool expansion of the blues scale whenever you're playing over the blues, and it sounds cool, and you can learn it in an instant. So practice it by all means and use it every day. Please subscribe, hit that button and the bell icon, and like the video, whatever, right? But I hope to see you in the next video.